Yes, we're turning our gaze towards Zimbabwe, a nation that's currently under the microscope of international scrutiny. Why? Well, let me walk you through this dramatic shift. Recently, Zimbabwe has found itself at the heart of a pivotal moment in global politics. It all started with a speech, not just any speech, but one delivered by Job Sikala at a significant gathering in Geneva. Sikala, known for his fiery rhetoric and unwavering commitment to his causes, shook the corridors of power with his words. Job's speech wasn't just on human rights violations, but ZANU-PF corruption in elections, as the previous year elected MPs were recalled by ZANU-PF imposter Sengezo Chabangu. But surprisingly, according to Wiwa's post on X, he suggested that IPU Union promised to return all those MPs just like the way they pushed for his removal from prison. However, Sikala's speech has sparked a new level of international interest and concern. The world is now watching, waiting to see how Zimbabwe will navigate these turbulent waters. The U-turn by these international bodies signifies more than just a shift in focus. It represents a potential turning point for Zimbabwe. Could this spotlight lead to substantial change, or will it merely add pressure to an already tense situation? These are the questions that are now being debated in diplomatic circles, in online forums, and perhaps in the very streets of Zimbabwe itself. As we discuss this, it's crucial to consider the implications of such international attention. While scrutiny can lead to improvement and reform, it can also result in increased tension and resistance from within. How Zimbabwe's leadership and its people respond to this chapter will be telling of the nation's trajectory on the world stage. In conclusion, Zimbabwe's current situation is a clear reminder of how powerful words can be, how a single speech can sway international bodies and focus the world's attention on one nation. As we continue to follow this story, one thing is certain: the eyes of the world are watching, and the stakes are incredibly high. So, what do you think will come of this? Let's start a conversation in the comments below. And if you found this analysis helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the dynamics of global politics. Until next time, stay informed and engaged.